Hello, real investors! I'm currently here in our office in McKinley Hill, where my teammates and I will be visiting Northwind Global City. Join me throughout this video as we explore the major updates and ongoing improvements of this 85-hectare township by MegaWorld. Let's go! On our drive to Marilao, Bulacan, let me share a quick insight what value this project will bring to the North. North has long been seen as a symbol of growth and hope in many cultures. MegaWorld's 28th Township, Northwind Global City, embodies this idea. It poised to become the Philippines' next big business hub, attracting investors with its strategic location near NLEX, the upcoming New Manila International Airport, and the Manila-Clark Railway. It also catered to the modern needs like green spaces and work-from-home setups. For SMEs hit hard by the pandemic, it offers a cost-saving solution while providing ample space for living and expanding their business. Northwind Global City is not just a place, it's path toward growth, progress, and hope. Welcome to the Northwind Global City. The location where I currently stand is the actual site of the Northwind Global City. Behind me is our showroom where we accept clients for their inquiries, especially since we have recently launched the west wing of the first residential condo in Marilao, Bulacan, the 9 Central Park. Nine Central Park is the very first residential condo na in-offer ni MegaWorld here in Northwind Global City. Here is the commercial and shop house lots. So as of today, this is the availability of the commercial and shop house lots. Wala siyang available right now, but if you're still interested and willing to wait, you can still message me and contact me on the description section below. Now, let me introduce to you sa mga available units in 9 Central Park. This is the facade of 9 Central Park. In this project, we offer studio unit, 1-bedroom unit, 2-bedroom unit, and 3-bedroom unit. Yung mga sizes niya is ranging from 36 square meter up to 136 square meter. Then in terms of price naman, for 9 Central Park, prices starts from 9 million to 36 million. But don't worry, you don't have to pay it in cash or upfront because you can still avail our no spot down payment promo, and this is 5 years to pay at 0% interest. Here in our showroom, you can also see the scale model of the beautiful 9 Central Park. What are you waiting for? Be the first to invest and lock in the launching price of 9 Central Park here in Northwind Global City. Secure the prime units now. Contact me on the details on the description box below. For the next video, we will go to the specific units of 9 Central Park. See you in my next video.